In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move emails to Labels Gmail. If you've ever wanted to tidy up your inbox without losing track of important conversations, labels are the way to go. Think of labels like tags you can attach to emails. The key idea is this: applying a label simply tags the message, while moving an email to a label also removes it from your main inbox view. I'll show you both approaches on the Gmail website, plus a quick drag-and-drop option. Let's start with applying a label. Open Gmail in your browser and look at your inbox. Click the checkbox next to any email you want to tag. You can select multiple messages at once. At the top of your message list, find the labels icon. It looks like a little tag. Click it, then choose the label or labels you want from the drop-down. When you're ready, click Apply. You'll see the label name appear next to the email's subject line. Remember, this does not remove the message from your inbox. It just adds the label so you can find it under that label view on the left sidebar, while still keeping it visible in the inbox. Next, if your goal is to clear the message from the main inbox and have it live under a label instead, use Move To. Select the email or emails the same way as before. At the top, click the Move To icon. It looks like a folder with an arrow. Pick the label you want to move the email into. Gmail adds that label and removes the message from the inbox, which is effectively like archiving it into that label view. This keeps your inbox clean without deleting anything. You can always find it again by clicking that label in the sidebar or by searching. Finally, here's a fast way if you like using your mouse: drag and drop. In your inbox list, click and hold the email, then drag it over to the label in the left sidebar and release. Gmail will move the conversation into that label, and it will no longer appear in the inbox. This is great when you're triaging a bunch of messages and already know where they belong. A few quick reminders as you wrap up. Applying a label keeps the email in the inbox. Moving it applies the label and removes it from the inbox. Both methods keep the message safe and searchable. Use whichever approach matches how you prefer to manage clutter. With these options, you can stay organized and get to important emails faster.